In the dynamic world of project management, securing the right talent is often the linchpin of success. Whether you're building a new team for a crucial project, expanding your existing workforce, or simply need to replace a departing member, an efficient recruitment process is essential. This is where applicant tracking systems, ATS, and recruitment CRMs, candidate relationship management, come into play, streamlining everything from job posting to onboarding. Among the popular choices, Zoho Recruit often stands out for its comprehensive features and integration within the broader Zoho ecosystem. A primary consideration for any organization, from a small startup to a large enterprise, is naturally, how much does Zoho Recruit cost per month? As a project management expert who understands the financial planning involved in any initiative, I can tell you that Zoho Recruit offers a flexible pricing structure designed to cater to various organizational needs and sizes. It's not a one-size-fits-all cost. Rather, it's tiered, allowing you to scale your investment with your recruitment demands. Let's break down Zoho Recruit's pricing, which is typically quoted per user per month and often comes with a discount if billed annually. Zoho Recruit's pricing tiers. Zoho Recruit generally offers several plans, including a forever free option, and then paid tiers that unlock more advanced features. The pricing structure often differentiates between staffing agencies and corporate HR departments, although the core features might overlap. Forever free plan. Cost $0 per month. Ideal for freelance recruiters, very small startups, or businesses with extremely basic and low-volume recruitment needs. Key features. This plan typically allows for one active job opening at a time per recruiter license. It includes fundamental candidate management, email management, and interview scheduling. It's a great way to get a feel for the platform's interface and core functionalities without any financial commitment. Standard plan. Cost, approximate around $25 per user per month when billed annually, or slightly higher, e.g., $30, if billed monthly. Ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, growing startups, or smaller staffing agencies that need to manage a moderate volume of active job openings. Key features. This plan significantly expands on the free version. It usually includes support for a larger number of active jobs, e.g., up to 100 or more, depending on corporate HR versus staffing agency edition. Increased resume parsing capabilities, allowing you to extract candidate information from more resumes daily, social recruiting features, integration with premium job boards, applicant tracking, talent pipeline management, and standard reports and dashboards. This tier begins to provide the automation and reach necessary for more active recruitment. Professional plan. Cost, approximate around $50 per user per month when billed annually, or higher, e.g., $60, if billed monthly. Ideal for medium to large staffing agencies or corporate HR departments with more complex and higher volume recruitment needs. Key features. Building on the standard plan, the professional tier introduces more advanced features crucial for efficiency. These often include a greater number of active job openings, e.g., 250 plus, enhanced resume parsing, AI candidate matching, advanced analytics for deeper insights into your recruitment process, custom reports and dashboards, and sometimes features like candidate portals or basic screening tools. This plan is designed for teams that need to optimize their hiring pipeline and leverage data. Enterprise plan. Cost, approximate around $75 per user per month when billed annually, or higher, e.g. $90, if billed monthly. Ideal for large enterprises, high-volume staffing agencies, or organizations with very specific and extensive recruitment requirements. Key features. This top-tier plan offers the most comprehensive set of features. It typically includes support for a significantly higher number of active jobs, e.g., 750 plus or even unlimited resume parsing, advanced AI capabilities, extensive customization options, e.g., custom roles, profiles, functions, web tabs, advanced automation features like Blueprint for workflow automation, advanced security controls, SMS and phone bridge integrations, and dedicated account management. This plan is built for organizations that demand maximum control, automation, and scalability. Important considerations beyond the base price. When budgeting for Zoho Recruit or any ATS, consider these factors. Annual versus monthly billing. Zoho, like many software providers, offers a discount for annual subscriptions. Paying upfront for the year can save you a significant amount compared to month-to-month payments. Number of users. The per-user model means your total cost will multiply by the number of recruiters or hiring managers who need access to the system. Factor in your current team size and any anticipated growth. Add-ons. While the core plans are feature-rich, some specialized functionalities might be offered as add-ons at an additional cost. Examples might include client portals. If you're a staffing agency and want your clients to directly review candidates or provide feedback within a secure portal, this might be an extra fee per license. Video interviews. Integrating robust video interview capabilities might come with an additional charge. Premium support. While standard support is usually included, higher tier, faster, or dedicated support might be a premium option. Data migration. If you're moving from another system, professional data migration services could incur an extra cost. Implementation and training. While Zoho products are generally user-friendly, complex setups or large team deployments might benefit from professional implementation services or dedicated training, which can be an additional cost. Integrations. While Zoho Recruit integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products, like Zoho CRM or Zoho People, some third-party integrations might require additional subscriptions to those external services.